So this is probably the oldest bit of technology in my house that is still used on a regular basis today. It's the television I bought back in 2007 when I moved to Manchester to start my career at Siemens. And I'm pretty sure if I was to ring the manufacturer today, 14 years after its purchase, that they wouldn't be able to provide technical support on it. In fact, I'm pretty confident they wouldn't, because I couldn't even get a replacement remote for it 3 years ago when that failed after being introduced to a toddler. But whilst my television failing at home isn't going to cause any major productivity issues around here, in the world of industry that isn't the case. So stay with us for the next few minutes as we explain how Siemens helps with product lifecycle management.
Hello and welcome to this week's Fletchy Friday. Now, a subject that's very, very fun to all UK OEMs alike is that of obsolescence. More importantly, product lifecycle management, PLM. If you're designing a new machine, 1 week, you want to know where is the latest technology and also where is it in terms of its life cycle. You're retrofitting or spares or machine improvements, which a lot of UK OEMs get involved in. They have to understand, is this part obsolete and where can I go to find out this information? So today it's all about that obsolescence management and product lifecycle management to help you make your lives simpler, smarter and less stressful. And who else can do this? Yes, you've got it. It is the infamous Mr. James Cottle.
Thank you, Lee. So as you're probably aware, our well-established controller range, the S7-300, introduced to the UK back in 1996, is looking to go into discontinuation around 2023. This is when our 10-year obligation begins to continue to provide support, service and spare parts for that product. But what are all the milestones a product goes through, and where can you find this information? Well, if you remember when I demonstrated the Siemens Industry Online Support app to you for your smartphones, I showed how you can scan a data matrix code on the product to take you directly to that information. And of course, it's widely available on our support site too if you just type in the part number. But what do all these milestones mean? Well, the sales release is when we actively start promoting a product, provide you with the order numbers, and you're available to order them. And this will be coming very, very soon for Tier Portal version 17. After that, we have the delivery release. This is when the product is actively being delivered and shipped into the industry. And typically, a current product will be at this milestone. After a certain amount of time though, there will be an announcement made that the product is being discontinued. It's at this point in time that our 10-year obligation begins to continue to provide support, service and genuine spare parts. And I say genuine because we still offer a 2-year warranty on those spare parts as well. Just with the announcement though, the product is still active and you're still available to buy it through your normal value-added resellers we have here in the UK. Once it moves into product cancellation though, that is when it becomes a spare part and you can only buy it from our certified Siemens spare parts providers. And then 10 years after the announcement, the product will move into complete discontinuation, which is when our obligation ends to continue to provide support, service and spare parts. And this happened for our fantastic Somatic S5 range just a couple of years ago. So hopefully that's given you a good insight into what our product lifecycle looks like and how you can get all the information you need to make informed decisions when purchasing products, making upgrades or trying to find spares. But thanks for watching this week's Fletchy Fridays. See you again on another